Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Nasendulo by Sprit 10. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share for more videos. So starting from the intro, you're doing da, 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 like that. So starting on the 1. So left hand side playing A flat and F. So it's actually like playing C sharp in a second inversion, right? So like that. Da, 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 da. And then we have here the first chord here we have. So left hand side we have E flat and C. Right hand side B flat, C, E flat, and F sharp. Right? So first chord right there, we're starting from here, and then right. So we have here, so E flat and C left hand side, right hand side B flat, C, E flat, and F sharp. So here and here, right? So right here, left hand side, we have the G and E. Right hand side, B flat, C sharp, E, and G. So we're actually going to the 1/5. You see? So left hand side we have E flat and F, right hand side C sharp, F, and A flat. Right, so from the top, so it's actually how you play it. You don't need to be playing straight. So you can see how I'm doing here. Right? Like that. So, and after that, we have this part. So we have B flat, C, C sharp, and then B flat, E, E flat to the G, just like a chromatic to the E flat, right? So da, 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 and then the last notes da, 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 da. So we have the F sharp, G, and to the A flat. Da, 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 da. Yeah, so, and then moving to the next part, we have something sounded like this. So we have A flat, so it's like A flat to the F, and back again to the E flat. So there we have a B flat and C. So B flat to the C, A flat to the E flat. So, and then if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like it, comment, and share for more videos. Please make sure to comment. I would like to hear from you guys, right? So yeah, so like that. Let me break down everything. So starting here, 1. So this chord right here, you can replace any major chord, right? So since we are playing only 1 degree, so starting right there, so we're starting right there. So left hand side have F and B flat, right hand side E flat, A flat, and C sharp, right? So and then moving to the second degree, so it's like we are playing 1, 2, you see. So and then C. So right there, so right here, so start from here. So right here we're playing left hand side as a E flat and F, right hand side F sharp, A flat, B flat, and E flat, you see. So right, and then so right here we have a F, C sharp, and E flat left hand side, right hand side B, E flat, and F, you see. So C, go to the 4 degree. So that we said we did 1, 2, passing chord to the 3, to the, sorry for that, to the 4 degree, right? So you can see right here we're playing B flat left hand side, right hand side F sharp, A, and C sharp, you see. So C, so from the top, C, go to the 4, and then we're starting over, same thing. Now we're changing. So right here we have G, E flat, and F left hand side, right hand side B flat, C sharp, and F as our passing chord, preparing ourselves going to the 5 degree, you see. C, go to the 5, right? So that's what we have on 5. So I was playing something like just like a grace note, like that. So we have like a turnaround that will take us to the 1. That will sound like, so we're starting here. So these are just major interval of 6, right? So here, here, just like chromatic, from here, 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 and after here we're playing the bass line. but we're gonna change right here. After here, we're gonna play right here, right? So we're gonna play. Right? So you see, da, 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 and then right here. So we're playing A flat on the bass, right? Left hand side, right hand side, E flat, C, and F, right? So the bass line is gonna be 5, 6, 7, 1. So here, chromatic, right? So yeah. So we're starting over. Ooh, and then now, and after here we're gonna be going to the 4 minor 6. So then we're gonna be doing a move, a simple movement that will go along with the left hand chord, right, which is a 4 minor 6. That was sounding like this, right? So left hand side we are actually playing F sharp, A, C sharp, and E flat. So right hand side start from here. So it's like we have E flat and F sharp, and C sharp and E, B and E flat, A and C sharp. You see? So and then right here we have E flat and C. Right hand side, B flat, C and E flat. So right here we have A flat and F, left hand side, right hand side, A flat and C. So the last chord, I was actually doing this is actually my favorite chord. It didn't sound good. I usually call it a major 2-5-1, right? So I'm actually using it as a turnaround going to the 1, right? Coming back to the 1 degree. So that will sound like so from here, na na 2 5 1. You see? So we have on the 2, we have 2. So you see, we have a C sharp, F, and B flat. Right hand side, F, B flat, C sharp, and F. And then 5, we have C, F, and B flat. Right hand side, E flat, C, and E flat. You see? And then to the 1. So we have a B flat, C sharp, F, and A flat. The right hand side, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Or let's just say C sharp. Right? So we're ending right there. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share for more videos. So as always, I'm gonna play everything slowly so that you can see how it sounds like. Right, let's go.